Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp error can't set up the recorder now. Please try again later. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, to fix this issue, first open the settings app on your device. On the settings app, scroll down and tap on app management. Then tap on manage apps or app list depending on your device. Now find and tap on WhatsApp from the list. On the WhatsApp settings menu, tap on storage and cache. Here, first tap on clear cache at the bottom and then clear storage. After that, go back to the previous menu and tap on permissions. Here, make sure to manually grant all necessary permissions to WhatsApp. So guys, after doing this, now go back to the home screen and reopen the WhatsApp and check if the problem is solved. That's it for today's video. If this method worked for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.